a burp challenge.
Yeah, we got Quentin here. We're not in our house anymore.
We're in my house.
Burp challenge.
So, are you ready?